In this video, we will show you how to insert comments or queries. Open the XHTML file in Editor. Place the cursor where you want to add the comment. Click on the comment option in the horizontal toolbar or vertical toolbar. The comment interface will open up. Type the comment or query into the bottom pane. You can mark the comment as inconsistent, missing, unclear text, sequencing problem, or duplicate from the drop-down provided. Click Comment. Comment can be made global by enabling the Make Global option. By default, all comments will be displayed under All. Click on Global to view only the global comments. Click on Show All to view the list of people whose comments are in the file. Click on a name from the drop-down to filter the comments from a specific person. To edit a comment, click on the Edit icon. The comment will be enabled for editing in the bottom pane. To edit the comment, click on Update Comment. To delete a comment, click on the trash icon against the comment you wish to delete. Save the file.